Jamaican Shore Fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just remember, guys, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Bless up yourselves, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading out this morning. We're gonna meet up with Brian this morning, guys. And we was gonna do lure fishing this morning. Then I called Brian up last night. I'm like, Brian, let's go hunt some permits this morning, bro. I think it's the weather for them. Because I've seen them last weekend. Last weekend I was doing some scouting. That's why you guys haven't seen any new videos, guys. Because I've been scouting spots where the fish are at. And this is part of my accuracy, how I hit. I go out, I scout these spots, I make sure these spots have fish in the area, I test it. Okay, good, there's fish, I'm going back. So I go back this week, 1 week later, 7 days later, and I'm gonna hit this spot up and we're gonna kill some permits today. Stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. We'll link up with Brian, and bro is here with us too, and we're here, guys, and we're getting ready to hunt some sea eggs. You know us. Brian, what kind of shoes is that, Brian?
Don't worry about my shoes, man.
Brian,
Don't worry about my shoes.
I'm not worried about your shoes, I'm worried about you getting stuck by a sea urchin. Oh, here goes some nice ones right here. You know what I'm liking about this? We're not getting wet doing it. See sea egg, yeah. Look.
Them the real oh, spiny one there. Alright, so Jerry, get the first one.
Yeah. Yeah, we got sea egg now, guys. So we're hunting, and I found a couple here. I gotta dig them out the rock and then take them up. But be careful when you're taking them up because they have spikes on them, guys. You don't want to get stuck in your hand. So you get them up nice and easy. And I'm just kind of glad the wave is not so weak. Yo, hey,
Jerry,
yo, Wallace, yo,
Jerry.
Yo, Wallace. May I come, Brian? May I come. Let's do me, I beg you not lose this, I wonder. Yeah! Damn! Look at that. Yeah. These are nice size one, guys. Yeah, me and Brian hooking them out. This is what we're using for bait.
Stuck in between there.
Hey, if you can't get them out, crush them in there so the fish hone into the area. You understand? That's what I normally do. Just chum up the water with them in case you can't get them out. As much as we can get them, Brian, because we're not come back out here again for the rest of the time, you know. That's the one to crush up. What you do, you just push them to the bigger side of the hole with the knife and just make them float up and then just take them up after that. Alright.
Dig in, man.
Yeah, man, some of them digging good, you thought. Okay. Get behind them with a knife.
Which size of them matter?
Yeah.
I can't get them.
Any size you want, man. Because we have big and small hook.
So we find out. But you turn up by cam. You look behind your foot, there's you turn up by cam.
Me know, man. You see?
Find a whole heap of them down here. Shit.
You know, say, can I eat them though? Eh? No, they're good for you. They're good for the yang, bro.
Good for the what?
The yang, bro. Make the yang talk Chinese.
That's all like a Chinese word. You don't know what the gang.
Good for the muscles, bro. It's good for the muscles, alright, bro? California, they're one of the wickedest things that sells out there right now. Yeah, people eat them. They like a natural steroid, natural Viagra. Gets the muscles working properly. Yo, we have enough, you know? Yeah, we are good on them, man. I done so, we are going to look further. But we have enough, you know? We have a good amount.
No, man, full up the tank, man. Full up the tank, man. Better you have too much than not have enough.
Yeah, true. And we have got, when the water get rough, we can't go come back here right, so. Good, clean. Look over here, sir, Brian. Like I said in there, so I show them face.
Juke them out and lift them up with the knife.
And a big one, yeah, man. Blood clot.
No octopus.
Boy, I wish.
The hook one round
Get knock if me, man, make me see him.
the hook one round behind.
I have the squid jig them with me, you know.
The hook one round behind Harbour City.
Oh,
One night.
me, I was a catch them, man.
Hey boy, I just one tentacle and push out and hold on for the sitting and now I'll let you go in.
I get knocked.
You know,
Alright, come in, Brian, we're full. We can't hold no more.
They look like I eat that.
I hate that. Trust me, I've never filled this up before. Do me, I beg you, brother.
Step on them.
Y'all get hurt. I've got piss on your foot.
They sitting them broke off in your foot.
You think it's a joke?
No, me not laugh because me think a joke. I mean, no say true. You better hope say when I'm pissed.
Yo, it's better you're being pissed off than being pissed on, you know what I'm saying?
You better hope say when I'm pissed.
What that? In I hole them, any big hole where you see octopus 99.9% in it, you know. Come in. Yeah. In them little small places. They little corners.
No matter how small the hole is there.
Man!
There, you know.
And they camouflage perfect to the environment. Huh? Nice?
No, if you say you have more pie.
Yeah. No, this I want to make personal pack on. This is my fishing knife. This is what my car got work with me every day. Yeah. Yeah. I do a lot of activities, bro. How about the rocks, Brian? They nailed it. Come in. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Hi, guys. I'm getting set up. A couple of my rods are not set up yet. This one I got to restring it because it popped off on me the other day while I was out here. So I got to restring this rod in a second, and I got to tie up some rigs anyways. But let's get these rods out and ready to touch the water. I might want to get up a little bit higher with this rod stand and get some more weight on it. You gotta get rocks on these rod stands, guys, because what you don't want is that fish pulling it out of there. Brian is here with me. We're here hunting permits today, guys. So, yeah. Huh? Where? Jaja God. Jaja God, me never see that. Here, guys, so Getting set up here, guys. Yeah, guys, so I gotta get these gears hooked up, get them strung up, get them ready. Yeah, trying to string this thing up. It's gonna get windy out here in a bit, and that's good. That's what we're looking for that wind to kick up and these waves to kick up a little bit more so that the permit jacks can come in. We got a whole bunch of guys out there permit jack fishing this morning. I can see them out on the reef. Yes, Elda. So we got to tie up some rigs, guys. Stay tuned. Hi, guys. So I got a bunch of sea eggs. My gears are rigged up. Ryan's right there. I got a shitload of people down there on the reef. I don't know. They're hunting for permits, the same thing that we're doing, obviously. But my method is kind of a little bit different. We use sea eggs. Sea urchins or sea eggs. Oh shit, I just dropped one. Well, you know what? We're not letting that waste. So we spent a lot of time getting bait. So, hold them by the spikes and this clip, guys. Try to get all the spikes off. This is so you can handle it easier, because if it was you could just hook them on like that, then I'll just do that without cutting them. But you know, you got to get these spikes off so you don't get that sea egg prick. Don't want to be pricked. So we're cutting this and getting them all cleared up. Nice juicy sea egg. Try to get them as clean as possible, guys. So it's good to have a pair of scissors in your box when you go fishing. You never know what you're going to encounter. So stay tuned. So let's get this line down and get them hooked on here. This is a small hook actually, but we'll hook this bad boy in here. Get that hook through that hole. See, just like that, guys. See it? So you got that hook through the mouth right here, and then you hook it through the side, and that's it. It's ready to go. So I got 2 more lines to set and get those situated and set up, and then send everything out at once, alarm them, and sit and wait for that pickup. You gotta be careful when cutting these things so they don't fly in your eye. Extremely careful. As I say, guys, fishing is not easy. It ain't cheap. Okay, we have this one set up. Let's get them out. We'll get this hooked on here real quick. Yep, got that one out. And giving these guys a haircut, guys. Alright, got that one up. And it's cleaned off. I know I had a few alarms out here someplace. These are old. Let me get some new ones. Three new alarms. I have lights for them too, guys. So I get my alarms ready beforehand. And I get my lines out, guys. Going up!
Like a razor you use and shave them, man. Just want to set out the line here, but I've got a 2 line alone here set out.
Set up as much as you can.
The other line, I'm at some 15-pound line.
Set it out. The fish now weigh 15 pounds. You just finesse, take your time with them, the line there. You know, rush it and try and manhandle them. So I'm gonna go lick my glass here, man. Oh, you book on this stuff. Oh. It's alright. Everything happens for a wise purpose. You know, shave them good enough. You give yourself more work. Set your drag well loose here.
Yesterday, you know, Jerry.
I'm going to pull your rod out of this rash.
Yesterday, you know.
Yeah.
Come to me and say, I go just all the way to, say I want to go,
See gas there in case you need it here. See gas there in case you need it.
Bulls game, I say I want to go, but I stop down there so I start catch about 3 or 4 nice barra.
Yeah. I'm going to do a little bit of lure casting. I'm going to walk these rocks, hit these reefs right here, and see if I can pick something up real quick. Brian's down there with the lines. Here, Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. We're gonna get some lure casting out in here. See if we can pick something up this morning. Get a few casts out this morning, guys, on the lures while watching my lines from down here. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing. Got hit by a long jaw just now. Alright, we're gonna move down a little bit. Gotta watch our steps, guys. Called rock floating. Oh, friggin' long jaw. Big ass long jaw too. Long jaw again, guys. Watching my lines from here. Hey, drop line fishing and lure fishing at the same time sucks. Because yo, trust me, I would have to run 100-yard sprint back that way, guys, just to get to my line. Yeah, guys, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Rock floating. Nothing yet. Alright, that's a good cast. So I can walk that reef to that tip. I just gotta watch my line. Brian's right there, so I'm not really too worried, guys. Brian will bring that fish in if anything. I just gotta be careful. I got my phone in my pocket. So I'm walking this reef, guys. Walking this reef out. Trying to get to the top of that one right there. It'll crush out by the time it reaches me. Gotta make sure I don't fall in any holes. Walking to this point to get a cast. Get on top of those rocks. Making sure fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. This is what we do. Get to the edge right here. We gotta be careful where I step, because if I step the wrong step, I end up in a very deep hole, guys. So I gotta make sure I stay on top of these rocks. Brian! Hey, am I gonna watch your line, let me know? Seeing if I can pick up on a quick barracuda or something here, guys. I gotta be careful, there's reefs all out throughout here. Just one long jaw chase me done. You hear me? Water shallow bud. Yeah, guys, so that was lure casting. I might walk around there and cast that beach real quick. Head back over to Brian. Oh, back to my rods, more like it. Jamaican shore fishing. I just caught a goddamn barracuda a while ago and totally forgot to turn on the stupid cameras. Holy shit. Just hooked the barra. He was small. I put him back. I didn't keep it. Like, wow, man. How did I lose that footage, guys? So I'm heading back down to the lines, guys, because obviously that one barracuda was all I picked up in the grass down there. I don't think there's any up here in the reef. I've tried. I worked this whole area down. I didn't get anything but long jaw chases. And let's see what's up. So thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys, and go over to Clock Legacy B76 channel. Make sure you give them a big up and thumbs up, alright? Come Jamaican shore fishing center. That is it, guys. Yeah, man. We're there, guys. So I have the line set. Hoping that we can pick something up today. Not a guaranteed when you come fishing, guys. Know this. Bro, hold me chunk and sit down on that chunk, man. Hold me chunk and sit down on that chunk. Now sit down nice on that. You'll burn up out of this rat here. Trust me, when you get home, you're going to realize. Oh, okay. Come me that say, yo, if you just shade yourself, you know. Me catch one barrel look a while. Me let him go down. Did look a bit. Yeah. None of the line them no go off. I might go down there and work that grass. Yeah, when my line go off, you know. Here guys, I'm gonna head out down the line and see if I can pick up another bigger barrel. I'm gonna work those grass area up there where you see the dark and check those out and see what I can pick up. Stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out there. I don't want to cast out and get hitched up in the reef. That's what I don't want to do. So I might want to go down to these rocks right here real quick. Don't want that lure going too deep either, because if not, it's going to hitch on you. So you got to keep it right above that water and work it in. I'll take my time and just walk. The ears are trained for those bells. Trust me, guys. My ears are seriously trained from this far away. Trust me, I could hear it. Working that lure coming in, guys. Working that lure. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Just casting this wall, guys. Seeing what I can pick up out here. That sucks. I lost that footage a while ago, guys. Really sucks. Can't believe that, man. I don't know why I even turned to my camera. I guess I was trying to preserve batteries. Yeah, barras don't like hanging out in the rocks. They like the grass. In the morning, I was working at Beach with Brian, picked up one barrel. That was it.